Hello everyone, we're going to be working on a new software tool today called RoboSim. RoboSim is a software tool for virtual robotics simulation and programming used for educational purposes and for planning real-world robotic tasks. It allows users to create 3D models of robots, write programs for them, and simulate their actions in a virtual environment before deploying them to a physical hardware. This software tool helps in learning, designing, and testing robot programs and physical scenarios without the risk and cost of using actual equipment. I have an account already. If you don't have one, you can just click on this register button and it takes you to the registration site. I'm going to click on login to begin. We have different interfaces: competition, training, free build, school activities, interactive classrooms, design. Let's click on free build. All right. This is the left side is our control panel. We have our menu, which takes us back to the home menu, our workspace. We have different tools, different components that make up a robot. If you hover on it, you can see the name. This is a 3 grid beam, red, 3x7 double angle beam. You can use the slider to move. This is an 8 grid flathead shaft. Alright. We can also use the search buttons to search for tools. Let's look up a gear. I'm going to search for gear, click on my enter, and I have my gear. This is a 40-tooth gear, 12-tooth bevel gear. You can also delete this, and I'm back to the control panel. So beams are the building blocks for robots. There are different kinds of beams. We have an 11 grid beam, a 3x7 angle beam, etc. Let's look for a 7 grid beam. You can just click on it and it appears on the workspace. Oh, sorry. Yes, it appears on the workspace. You can take the beam, you can move it up using our arrow keys. Right click on the workspace to move the workspace. So you can see the front view, you can see the side view of your beam. Yeah. And I use the arrow key to place it back down. I can also delete my beam by clicking on it and clicking this delete button here, or I can use the delete button on my keyboard. Let's look for a 9 grid beam. It appears on the workspace. Move my workspace about. All right. I look for an L-shaped beam. I'm going to connect these two beams together using pins. So I can move my L-shaped beam around and make it stand. Exactly. Move this. I can hover around it. All right. Let's move it a bit. Yes. So we can see the different positions. Let's bring this forward. Yeah. All right. Let's look for a pin to use. A 2 grid seals. Let's use this. I can also move this around using my arrow keys as well. I'm using my arrow keys. Insert it. It automatically inserts into the beam. Let's take another one. Right. Move it around. We insert it. Now beam. All right. Move it. So yes, we can see that it has been attached properly to the beam. All right. Okay. We can also delete. Use your, let's left click and drag, and it hovers around the beams and the pin, and click delete. All right. That will be all for now. See you in the next video.